Now that you got the idea about the data page and that we went through each part of it, now let's go to view data source. And if you go to view data source, we are gonna be in the Appsheet data source, but I wanna use, so let's delete first this data source. And as you see, we don't have any data provided, and that's why we have an error. And what we're gonna do is that we are going to create a data first. So let's go here to Google again, and we're gonna create some data using Google Sheet. So I hope you know already about Google Sheet. And we're gonna create a new blank sheet. And let's name it, we're gonna name it so we can find it after and link it to Appsheet. So let's name it our tutorial stock, let's put supermarket stock app. Okay, so this is the name of our data source. So let's put some field into it. So let's put ID, product, uh, product, what we can put. Let's put something with number, like for example, the weight of the product. Okay, product weight. And then here, okay, let's go with the weight here. And then price. Price is important. Let's go before price. Image, maybe image of the product, image. And then let's go here, price. And then quantity of the product, like how many products we have. What we can put again, expiry date. And here it can be entirely custom app, so you can add any information you need for your own business or the app that you wanna sell, or I don't know, like for your own company. You can, it can be entirely customizable. So for now, I'm just gonna use this, and I'm gonna put some ID. So let's leave ID auto-generated. So let's put here the product. So let's go with chocolate. Here, strawberry, or maybe ice cream. Let's use here bread. Let's use here oranges. Orange. Let's just give it to orange. Maybe candy. What can we have also? Product. You can put also the brand, and like each time the brand of the candy, like everything, like more information to it. So let's just use this for it. So let's go with 100 gram ice cream. Let's go with 50 grams. bread, let's go with 200 grams. Orange, let's go with 70 grams. And candy, let's go with 10 grams. And then we have images here, so we need to add images. So let's keep the images for later. So let's go to the price. So let's say $10 ice cream, $5 bread, I don't know, $4 orange, $3, and the candy $1. And then let's go to quantity. So in here we have 200 on stock. Here we have 300 on stock. Here we have 400 pieces oranges. Let's get so we have 1000 oranges and we have 10,000 candies. And the expiry date. Uh, so let's go for something like 10/08/2024. And let me copy this each time. Let's make some changement, for example. Okay, let's change each time. So, okay, like this seems good, and we have our ID. So let's put also ID. Okay. Okay, cool. We have our data. Okay, so since we have our data now, we can go back to Appsheet and try to link our data to this Appsheet, to this Google Sheet page, data page. Okay. So as you see here, again, in our Appsheet app, we have no data at all, and we're gonna try to add some data. That's why we have an error here in the app. So let's try to add some data. And we're gonna get this data from Google Sheet, okay, because that's what we used, right? So we're gonna create on Google Sheet and gonna search for our data. So what was the name? Our tutu. Okay, we let's change this to our. I guess it's better. Okay, sorry about that. And let's go here and try to search for it. And we found our data, our Tutu supermarket stock app with the one sheet one, because we can have multiple pages also. Here you can add another page if you want, but we're not gonna do it for now because we are fine with one page. And we can update, add, and delete. Or you can just put on read only, and if you put on read only, it doesn't make sense anymore because we cannot add product, we cannot delete product in case we don't have this product anymore. So we're gonna keep all this on. So add this table. I'm gonna click on add this table and it's gonna search for it from Google Sheet and take it. Okay, and we have an error here. The new app did not load successfully because contact the app creator. Okay, let's check what's the problem here. Okay, let's go to the view setting. Okay. So basically, because we don't need this, let's delete it. It's from the previous data, that's why. And let's click on save. And okay, so we have our data now loaded on the screen. So basically we have ice cream, chocolate, candy, orange, and if you click on one of them, we have the ID, the product, the weight, the price, the quantity, and the expiry date. And you can change each of them like just by clicking on that. So you see how easy it is. So just from this small app sheet, I mean, just from this small Google Sheet data, we have the entire app made successfully within like just 5 seconds. So it doesn't look that good right now because we still need some images, I guess, to it. So let's try to add some images. Uh, so for the images, you just can, I think you can just take any URL from Google. So for example, like let's check for chocolate image, and let's go with this. We click and oh, you also can take the product images. Like if you don't find it on Google, you can take it straight away with your phone. I'll show you how to do it. So for example, okay, copy image address I think is good, and let's put the image address first. Oh, let's speak. I think I'm not sure if it's this. I think it's not this. Uh, copy link address. I think it's the link address. Let's paste this and okay, we have the link, and let's go back here. We synchronize to get it. And let's see. This link doesn't work for some reason. Okay. It's just the link is bad, that's it. I think let's try with another image. Maybe this one. And let's open this link in a new tab. I just want the image. Open image in a new tab. Okay. So this is the URL of the image. Let's put copy. Let's go to sheet again. Command V, and we have the URL. I think now it should work correctly. So let's click on synchronize. Okay, we have the image. Cool. So now we have the image and it looks a lot better. So let's do the same for all the other images.